Welcome back to another Cuphead Design Pro video. Today we're P-ranking the early test build.
Yes.
I've got.
Oh my god.
Wait, introduce yourself. Wait, first.
My name is Osiris.
Oh, no, ignore that. Oh,
You have to be better.
there we go. Now collect all of this candy.
But my name is Julia.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah. So this is why we're going to make this video together.
And I got a Barbie for my birthday.
Fine, Frankie, you can be in the video. Now I can tell you know absolutely nothing about Pizza Tower. This is what it looks like. Oh, I lost my combo. Guess this can be an S rank. Okay.
No, P.
It's about a Italian chef named Peppino Spaghetti, but I'm playing as the noise right now. Where's the Italian chef encountered a pizza? Oh, that's what the Italian chef looks like in the TV. The Italian chef is named Peppino Spaghetti. He makes pizza.
That's Peppino.
Yeah,
And who's that?
that's the noise. I cannot see right now. Maya, I cannot see right now.
So you don't know where you're going?
I know where I'm going. I've played this game before, but I just have not played this level. Let's go. What?
Junior, what's your video so I can see mine?
He hasn't posted his video yet.
Yeah. Cuphead Design Pro. Not that. Not spelling it like that. Cup.
C-U-P. No. C-U. Give me the P. U.
Look, I got the key.
Huh? Head? Wait.
Yeah, I got the key.
That's so good.
H E. Wait, gimme. I can do this. I can do this.
I'm trying to look for it.
There.
Alright, where?
Oh,
No.
there. And now up, space. Now P A P,
Ew.
and that's it. And then press search.
Who farted?
Now go onto the YouTube channel named Cuphead Design Pro. That's my YouTube.
You're gonna die.
Go on the channel. What are you doing? Go on. Go. Oh my.
What?
Go on the channel. Up. Bruh.
I can't like.
Go into the channel.
What channel? Which
Let
one?
me see.
Oh my gosh. Man, Eddie is so stupid.
Alright, let me see which one. Come here, Junior. Let me see your phone.
No, up. No, gimme. Give me the remote.
No. Up.
Give it to
Okay,
him.
up.
Down.
Give-
Go down.
Okay, there.
Go down.
Down. Oh my.
That way.
That's
That-
my channel.
That's yours?
Yeah, put it, and then we'll help you.
Go
Go this way. Up. There.
That's my channel.
There.
Welcome to Cuphead Design Pro. You have to support
Wait a
Pizza
minute.
Tower for now.
Wait, you're playing for real? Do I press the thing?
That plays
No,
mix.
down.
What
Down.
does mix mean?
I don't know. Down. I make a bunch of funny videos. Well, some of them are funny. The first one that didn't fall, that filter. I totally did not fall, guys. That was an April Fool's video. That was a video on April Fool's.
You almost fell.
Yeah. Oxia is canon. I make a bunch of Maxisine Pro swords. Perfect loop.
Oh, that's
Isn't it a perfect loop? I did a Maxisine Pro voiceover for no reason. That was also another April Fool's joke video. Down. 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 Up. That's the, no, down. That's the video.
That you're doing right now?
Yeah. That's the intro. Guys, sorry this video's too long. They're watching my videos right now. Look. It's his rival. Noise's rival. I think. Pizza Tower. This is two-player. I'm the noise. Wait, I have not uploaded the noise version. I will upload the noise version. So for now, just watch Pepino run. Guys, look! I'm winning! Design Pro. Let's go. Okay, ready to do another lap? Yeah, we're almost ending this video. We're doing 3 laps. 3 laps is a lot, right? There's Pizza Face. Pizza Face, I gotta run away from him. Yeah. I've still gotta run.
Is that you right now?
Well, Junior, you're playing right now?
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't show anything like
That's
that.
you right now. Wait, is that? No, that's not you.
Well, that is my video, but this is the noise version. I'm doing it as the noise. There's Pizza Face. There's Pizza Face.
I'm gonna be making a video right now.
There we go. Ready to run? All right, time to run, everyone.
I thought you were
Right?
That was an old video where I P-ranked War.
What does that mean?
Like War, the Pizza Tower level. Wait. Sorry that this video is kind of long.
Because it's like a long thing.
Yeah. Do you think I'm about to escape Pizza Face?
Yeah.
I'm out. Oh, heck no. Oh, no.
Junior,
Huh?
do you have like TikTok so you can make a video?
No.
Well, can you make a